Now, let me explain how you can obtain or purchase AI credits in CapCut on your phone. So, how can you get these credits? It's important to understand the process carefully. It's crucial to note that there are restrictions. As you can see here, in CapCut on your phone, you cannot directly purchase AI credits at all. Here is the internal currency, and as you can see here, you cannot simply go here or anywhere else to make a purchase. Credits. These are official restrictions in the mobile version. As you can see here, there is no separate credit store available for purchases. So here's what to do. As you can see here, free AI credits typically appear automatically when you log into your account, just like this, right here. Sometimes, as a bonus for new users during trial access to AI features, you can use them like this, as you can see. Right away, you can generate AI videos or text using AI tools. For instance, I have some credits available for this purpose, as you can see. Yes, you've received all your free credits, so now you can use them a bit, as you can see right here. Through the Pro subscription, as you can see here, if you have a Pro account in CapCut, certain AI features receive significant enhancements, allowing for more advanced usage. There are limits, but sometimes bonus AI resources are added. Yes, just go here, and you will find many options. There are many AI functions available, and you don't even need credits for them. But most features are right here, as you see. You need credits for that. However, purchasing credits is not possible on the phone. Here's how to buy AI credits officially. It is available in the web version of CapCut on your PC, as you can see here, so you can easily access it from your phone account now. Log in from your PC, purchase the credits there, then return to your phone to use them easily, as you can see here. On your phone, after purchase, they are saved with your account and work seamlessly with your account, as you can see. With your account, everything works smoothly on your phone, as you can see here. Thank you all for watching, good luck, and goodbye.